So now we are moving on to the topic nasal cavity. Nasal cavity again is a very important topic which you should be knowing thoroughly at an undergraduate level. So nasal cavity, as we all know, it is a cavity which has got a roof, which has got a floor, which has got a lateral wall and which has got a septum which is dividing it into two airways. So you have the medially the nasal septum. So the nasal cavity, when we talk about, it has got a roof. So this is just a section. This can be considered as the roof. So this is the roof of the nasal cavity. Now you have the floor down. This is the floor. And this is actually the nasal septum which is dividing into two equal halves or somewhat two equal halves. So this is a nasal septum and on either side you have the lateral wall. So nasal septum, lateral wall, roof and a floor. So when we talk about the roof of nasal cavity, it is actually formed by the cribriform plate of ethmoid bone. So this is called the cribriform plate of ethmoid bone, cribriform plate. So the roof is mainly formed by the cribriform plate of ethmoid bone. Of course, you have the part of sphenoid also coming here and part of nasal bone and the frontal spine also coming here. But the first thing which you should keep in mind is the cribriform plate of ethmoid bone which is forming the roof of nasal cavity. What about the floor of nasal cavity? Actually, the floor of nasal cavity is separating the nasal cavity from our oral cavity. So the floor of nasal cavity is formed by palate. Palate means the hard palate of maxilla and the palatine process of the palatine bone. So you have the hard palate which is forming the floor of the nasal cavity. So roof is formed by the cribriform plate of ethmoid bone and floor is formed by the hard palate. And now we have to talk about the nasal septum which is lying in the middle and two lateral walls. So for your level, you will get a question on nasal septum and lateral wall. Nothing much is asked about the roof and floor of nasal cavity. So you can just think about the roof formed by the cribriform plate and floor formed by the hard palate alone. Nasal cavity as such also not asked, but you will get a question like 5 mark or 3 mark question, write a short note on nasal septum or the blood supply or nerve supply of nasal septum. Similarly, write a short note on the lateral wall of nose and blood supply and nerve supply of lateral wall of nose. That is how you will get the questions. So no need to know you won't be having to write the entire details of the nasal cavity under one question, but you will get questions as write a short note on nasal septum or write a short note on lateral wall. So we will be mostly concentrating on the nasal septum and lateral wall of nose.